Hi everyone and welcome in this new unboxing and review video of the SUPERSTRIKE X2. As you can see from the box, it's brand new, although it has a little, I don't know what's that bump there, but I will start opening it. It still has the seals on. There you go. Wow, it actually shocked me. I have seen it so many times everywhere, but I didn't feel like I would have been liking a white mouse. I usually just want black, you know. So wow, okay, it has. I mean, of course, the power play. I have modded another version of my custom mouse to have the power play enabled as well. But I mean, wireless charging is pretty cool. So what we get in the box: black PTFE skates, which are slightly slower than the gray variants and the white variants. What else do we got here? I mean, it will be roughly the same experience as unboxing this super light. So there's this little box here with surely the G. Okay, so we got the cable. I never use it, so I just put it straight back. It looks alright, but no one should ever care about the cable when buying a wireless mouse. You can buy aftermarket cables from Zerk Gaming Mods, which is the best thing you can possibly do. They have insanely good cables, so warranty all this stuff, and there's the explanation for the how to use it and how to install it. So it's actually pretty cool. Okay, also some 20 centimeters from the power play. Oh well, I mean, it's alright. I use it usually 2 meters, but it's fine. More than 2 meters actually. So I mean, that's about it. There's not really much. Oh yes, they did leave as well. I'm not pulling everything out just because I don't want to place it back inside. There's also the PTFE, let's call it, I don't know, like plug, I guess, but you don't need it. Like it adds a lot of friction that you probably do not want, so I wouldn't recommend adding it. Grip tapes, I don't use them. So I mean, it on the Superlight 2 you can see all the marks, I mean, ish, left by fingerprints, of course sweat as well, and everything else. There's, well, yeah, that's about it. So yeah, I cannot get it back in, it's fine. I'll be just leaving it here. I will be tearing it down soon enough. So we have the receiver as well. I am used to just using the little, I wish they called it like something else, because now I have 3 of these, but it's okay. I will try it in a second. There's nothing else in the box, which is, oh well. I guess I can just ignore the box for now. Before anything else, So this one doesn't creak. This one feels even sturdier somehow. Side buttons are actually better than the Superlight 2. I'll have to say this case feel. Yeah, I mean, it's not that bad. They feel roughly the same, honestly. So everything is about the same. I will actually check the weight. So with this scale, probably it's hard to see, but the super light is 58 grams with the plug and the dot skates, whereas this one with the plug and full skates is 61.24. I will be taking pictures. So some stuff. I forgot to use a scroll wheel, but it actually feels a lot better, like a lot more stiff than the old one. Okay, there we go. So we got this one, and the X2 SUPERSTRIKE is finally in. So yes, skip. So disable all of these. My DPI is 1000. Wireless report rate, I'll leave it to 1000 as well. Scroll wheel, no thanks, I don't need it. Okay, I like this. I like this. You can just, wow. So I cannot really show you because it's too hard. You wouldn't be able to see the difference, but I will try. So look at this. Yeah, it is cool. It is actually really cool. Of course, you can do it with the right button as well. Rapid trigger, I guess. Wait, what? I don't know how fast it goes, so we will be trying. So I can semi-confidently say that the SUPERSTRIKE X2 is more consistent on the clicks than the Superlight 2. It's more of the newest technology rather than anything else because you cannot lower the click latency that much. After you get to 1.5 seconds, it's still, impressive. You can go to 0.6 Siemens for the OP1AK, but it will not improve any further, so you cannot go negative. Which is why everyone should be practicing pre-tensioning, which is how I got, those decent scores with the Superlight, like 158, 162 milliseconds, which is actually pretty good. And that's it. Will this mouse make you better? Absolutely not. Honestly, it's not even close to what Wooting did with the Hall effect keyboard, but it's alright at best, like for the premium they are making us pay as consumers. It's not really worth it. I've seen some people getting from 230 to 210 milliseconds reaction time, so 20 millisecond improvement, but it's just because they are not able to properly hold the mouse and pre-tension clicks and react accordingly. So the improvement, if there's any, for a average user, like someone who gets around 180 to 160 milliseconds of reaction time test, it's either not going to be noticeable or it will be 2 milliseconds at best, maybe 5. So do I recommend this mouse? I mean, it looks solid, it feels good, it looks better than the previous one. It probably has a somewhat better coating. I feel like at least it's better, but it might be just because it's new. Do I recommend it for the price tag? Not really. If you can find it Superlight 2 for £110, I will still go for it. Artings.com will later on test it, and I will get their results and I will compare them to the Superlight. But as for now, I would just say to maybe wait before buying it.